Hey everybody, this is Mike over at Triple D. We're back with another resort room tour. This time we're over at Disney's Art of Animation Resort, and we're going to be doing a tour of the Little Mermaid Rooms. But before I did that, I did want to show you one new thing over here. We haven't been to this resort in a few months, or actually in like 8 months, 9 months. But the Skyliner is up and running. If you're staying over here at Art of Animation or over at Pop Century, you can catch the Skyliner and it'll take you to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. So let's go on inside and check out the room. All right. So this is the interior of the resort. Let me get the door closed, or of the room. So one thing you'll notice probably right away, if you know a lot about Art of Animation, is the Little Mermaid rooms are different from the Cars, Finding Nemo, and Lion King theme rooms. Those are family suites, so they sleep up to 6. They actually have a standalone bedroom that you can sleep 2 people in, and then the other people can sleep on a pull-out couch and a fold-down kind of Murphy bed. If you're interested in the family suites, we actually did a resort room tour for the car suites, and so you can find those up. I'll link to them up in a card here in the description, and you can see those there. So the Little Mermaid room is your standard kind of more valued room setup. You have the 2 beds. These are full-size beds. They are not queens. So they'll be a little snug when we sleep in them tonight, I am sure. But you can see the fun little clamshell themed headboards. You can see Flounder and Sebastian up here hanging out, high-fiving each other. But your basic kind of beds, white linens, like you'll find everywhere in Disney World. There's no more runners or things like that, especially in the value resorts. You got this nice little mural of Eric looking very princely and guiding his ship, and Scuttle kind of looking on. Then you've got the bathroom. So before we went into the bathroom, I did want to show you this curtain that kind of divides the bathroom area from the main living area. You've got the orchestra that Sebastian leads. I've looked at it a couple of times, and I don't see Sebastian on it anywhere. But it's a fun little touch. Kind of gives the theme a little bit more. And then we come on in, and here is the bathroom. So this is the vanity area. So you see one sink. That's all you got. A fairly small little sink area. I can tell you that these types of sink areas are a bit of a challenge for us with Carla and the 2 girls. We got a lot of stuff, and so we got to kind of figure out how to organize everything and make it all work. But we do. It's not impossible, but it definitely can be a little cluttered on here once we get all our stuff separated. You'll find the closet area where you've got a few hangers and all that type of stuff. There's a safe in the room as well if you want to lock up any of your valuables. And then over here is the bathroom. So the toilet area features this fun little aerial shower curtain that I'm sure Anna will go crazy over once she sees it. She hasn't been in the room yet. She and Carla and Elsa are doing a art class over in the main building right now. So that's the shower area. For the shower itself, in terms of size, it's your pretty typical tub shower. Fun little thing of Ariel's kind of storage grotto where she keeps all of her collections of human things. I guess King Triton hasn't destroyed this yet, but you can kind of see what it looks like. Next up, you come on out, and this is the dresser and kind of area. I really do like this because it feels very stylized to me. It's not just a dresser put in it. It looks very nice. It kind of reminds me of some of the furniture that I feel like I remember in The Little Mermaid, but it's been a while since I've seen that movie, so maybe my memory isn't the best. Inside of here, you will find a mini fridge. So you can go ahead and store, some drinks, whatever you want in there. And then the left side of this is just drawers where you can put clothes. Over here, kind of near the desk and chairs, we got the fun little mirror that just is a mirror. But in the desk itself, you've got the music to Under the Sea. It's kind of, the composition by Sebastian, and it actually even says, if you look there, it says it's written by Horatio Felonius Ignatius Crustaceus Sebastian. So it's a fun little touch in the room. But that's kind of what they look like overall. Like I said, it's a very typical value level resort here. I think these do cost a little bit more than some of the other value rooms like the All-Stars. We'll see how that changes as those All-Star rooms continue to be renovated. That may close some of the gap, but you now have the convenience of the Skyliner that'll keep things sort of in line. So that's overall our resort tour. If you found it helpful, we'd appreciate it if you gave it a like. Share the video with anyone you think that might find interest in it. If you like what we're doing on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It helps you know when we're publishing things and kind of keeps it in your feed. We'll continue to do resort tours like this. If you're interested in more about art of animation, we actually have another video that's an overall resort tour. So I'll link to that here in the cards at the very end of the video. You can click that if you want to see more about art of animation. Otherwise, we hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you guys in the next time. Thanks. Bye.